All right, we are live. New signal here. Go ahead and take that. Jump right on into it, huh? Let's see here. Good. I might start this one with the loss. Let's see what we got here. Price make a little bottom. Can it make a little bit lower of a bottom? That'd be nice for me. Let's see. And we'll talk about kind of some of the updates for today that we'll look at. Can this bad boy get profitable for me? I'll take that. Okay. All right. So in this account so far, I'm up $230. I've taken 2 trades so far. I'll show you that really quick, actually. Let's go to this 42 account, hit settings, hit go. 4 trades, 4 wins, 100% win rate. Okay, so I'm up, what, 230 so far in this account. Trading 5 micros. Okay. That's incorrect. And then you are 6, you're incorrect as well. No, and then 55. Yes. Okay. Trading 5 micros right now. We'll trade this until the ATR comes down. I think maybe like 25, and then we'll jump back into maybe just 1 mini. But I want to learn my lesson from just previous days trading way too much size. So we'll look at that for today. While we are up and active, let's go ahead and get the link sent out, and then we'll get back to rolling here. To rolling. All right. So here, excuse me. And homepage. Now you guys will be able to see that the let's see, share, copy, that I can rank or favorite or up, thumbs down the signals. So that's a big deal to me. Wanted to make sure we got that back. Before it wasn't really an issue. It just was on a different page, and I want it on the main page. So, okay, 57, we have a negative signal. All right. Let's see if this one can hold up and be true. Good morning to everyone watching. Go ahead and pin that. Okay, we have a sell signal here. I'll go ahead and take that one. Sell, stop. This one's gonna be a little tricky. Let's see if we can get price to roll down for us a little bit. Okay, there we go. All right, small victory there. Basically just commissions, profit but commissions. Morning, Rami. We'll wait for that 158. Okay, that's a bad signal. Here and here. Some of you guys ask why I trail my trades so tight. It's because of this. I really don't want to be in a trade where this is the case. 57, I'll give you a positive rating, but all right. New trade here in about 6 seconds. Ron. Good morning, my friend. Okay. Have ourselves a long. Let's go ahead and take that. Not the greatest of fills on my spot here, or my entry. Let's hope that we can get there. If not, then we'll take a small loss here. What's the price want to do here? Terrible entry. Okay, we're down, or we're up 85 bucks on that one, so that one cost us a bit. All right, so not a good signal there. I need to do one thing. Let's check to make sure we don't have any news coming right now. I forgot to do that. 1 second. Yep, jolts in 10 seconds. So let's wait for that news to come out, and then we will get back to it. Okay. There goes that. Let's see if, what did ChatGPT think? Oh, I got it right. Nice. News, but got it right. Okay. All right. And yes, I'm always going to count a massive drawdown like that as a win. Let's go here, open. I mean, that was 58 points. We're going to count that as a win for sure, even if the news is actually pretty good. Unless this thing goes long, then I need to maybe undo it. Unless this one goes up 58 points. Oh boy, it's close. I did. Oh, wow. All right, well, there you go. All right, new signal coming here in 5 seconds. Let's get ready. Okay. Have ourselves a long signal, I assume, but we're going to sit this one out. We don't want to dance with price right here. We'll just wait. Just wait. What I should do. Should just put this over there. That way I can do a little bit of both. All right. Not a bad signal here. Let me see. Price ran up 38 points, but also ran down 40. I'm going to call it good because a good run up in the beginning, like 38 points with no drawdown is a really good signal, I would say. All right, so short here. I'll go sell. Let's see if we can try to catch some movement here. Small victory, nothing special there. Wanted to be tight, didn't want price to roll back on me. All right, actually we got two. So you're going to be marked as correct. You'd be marked as incorrect. Can't have all that drawdown. Should have given it a little more space, but I didn't want to get. Entry was really late on that one. What I want to do better today, this morning, is take trades where, like, I'm not chasing it. Kyle, what's going on, my friend? You want to take trades this morning where we're not chasing it. I think a lot of our losses yesterday came from that, and so I don't want to. I don't want that to be the case here. I want to make sure that we're doing the right thing. So, let's see what we got. New signal here. We'll just get one short. So sell right there. Good. Put our stop up here. See if price can run for us a little bit. Nice. Really nice. Really nice on that. About 300 bucks on that one. Super nice. Good work. Okay. Good. We're up 414 in this account. Good. I don't think that we left a lot of meat on the bone in that trade. So let's see. New signals are short. So sell right there. Stop. Okay. Kind of same game here. Gonna give it some space, but let's see if we can get price to fly down some more. Wow. There we go. Wow. Jeez. That was awesome. We had made 600 bucks on that trade, so that was sweet. Nice. Okay. Good trade there. Yeah, Kyle, finally we get those runs that we're looking for. We get those moves that we're looking for. Try to catch all of that together. I wonder if my stop got hit on that one and if I exited like partially. Good signal there. Let's see what we got here. Another signal, another short. Go sell right there. Got to rank these good here. Stop. Might be giving back a little profit here. Let's see. Okay. Maybe 40 bucks on that. So that's not a good signal there. Let's keep it going. Okay. Let's see what ChatGPT thinks here. I've got a short signal here at both. I don't love the signal, so we're gonna wait. Yeah, we're gonna wait here. I'm gonna go with bad signal on both of these here. I don't really care how much price moves in our favor at this point. We're right. We flew through VWAP. Wasn't even paying attention to that. But this is a 60-point candle. Good night. And so we just have to be responsible here. I'm not paying attention to VWAP. ChatGPT is. I really don't want that to impact my trading too much. I'll let the signals do the work, and I will just trade the signals. Didn't know we were slicing through VWAP, but didn't really matter much, did it? So let's keep it going here. Okay. New signal here. If it's a long, we're gonna have to sit it out. Okay, so it is. Let's see, price is kind of already extended from us a bit. So you know what? I'll take it right there. Let's see if we can get price to move in our favor a bit. Not the best of, not my favorite trade to take ever, but let's see if we can get price to move here. No? All right. Close. We're gonna get hit about 120 on this one. Not a great trade here by me. All right, we're out of that trade. 20 bucks. Bad signal there. Actually, I'll call it bad. I don't know if it was all that bad. Long here. Long and short, I've got differing opinions here. Same confidence. So we'll wait. We'll wait. Okay, cool. Wait around here. Let's see what we got. Okay. 15 seconds here to a new trade. And I guess we're going to call our long a good one. I don't know. We'll have to mark it after just to be patient and wait for it to close. But I think the long is a much better signal. New signal here. Okay, long. That one's gone though. And we're not going to chase it. We're going to be better about this today, which is not chasing these signals. Even though that the price is obviously running, clearly, want to make sure that we're building some good habits here. We get a lot of signals every day. I want to make sure that we are treating them with the respect that they deserve, and we're not just jumping in hoping to make some money, because you never know what can happen. Okay. What's the market up to right now? Well, we can just look, honestly, we can just look at our signals and know that, but let's see, Treasury. Oh, wow, we're below 4 on the 1 year. I didn't think we'd see that. Wow, we're below 4. The 5, it's kind of 10-year get there is a real question. But wow, 1 year is it's there. Okay, let's see what we got. Long. Let's go long right there. Enter. Okay, stop. Okay. Remember, we're trading 5 micros right now. Okay. Just keep that in mind. Want to be patient here. I want to see if price can really run for us. If not, it's fine. We'll take a small victory again and we'll wait for a bigger move. But there we go. We made about 84 bucks on that. All right, we're up 1,050 for today. Okay. Good. So small victory there. Not a great trade though. Short. It's a good signal. You were a bad signal. Both of you guys were bad. I want to measure this. It gave me 19 points and no drawdown. I'm sorry, but that's a good signal. ATR is at 46, so really high there. Really high. So we're going to be patient there. Okay. Okay, new signal here in about 5 seconds. Okay, short. We'll go ahead and sell right there. See if price can move a little bit for us. Nice. Another small victory. We're up 1,100 bucks. Price is really dancing around right here. So didn't want to play too much with fire, and our entry wasn't the greatest. I don't think we chased it, but we definitely got in when the candle was red. I was thinking maybe it would go green first, and it did a little, but not a lot. So we weren't able to capture a ton of profit on that one, but solid nonetheless. Okay. 5 seconds till the next signal. Short. Go ahead and sell that right there with stop. Okay. Tough one here. Wow, price is really not trying to get to our break even, huh? Take a small loss here if it rolls up higher. Next signal. God. All right. Okay. So hit our stop there. We're up 960. Lost about 150 bucks on that one. Okay, so you were not good. Let's see what you guys do here. Looks like a short might have been a much better trade on this candle. So these signals are a little better. If I held just a little longer, if I kept my stop probably at its original spot, we probably are still in this trade and somewhat profitable, to maybe more profitable now. But, all right, so good signal there. We just misread that one early. It's fine. Happens. Wait for our next signal 20 seconds from now. Whoops. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, new signal time. Short. With a stop. Good. All right, we're out on that one. Got some money back on that, not a ton, but some. Not a bad signal. Let's see how the candle finishes out though. In the 30 seconds. Okay, so not a good signal there, technically. Okay, now we got some real choppiness. I think we're right at VWAP. So we got some real choppiness here. We have to deal with that. Okay, new signal here in about 3 seconds. Long and short. Okay, so one of these was going to be wrong. Turn my heater off here. No, it feels good. Okay. All right, got our dashboard cooking. Hopefully we were able to get more machine learning involved here in the next. So we're gonna call the short signal better than the long. Hopefully we can get some, McB, what's good? Machine learning here by end of the week. We'll see kind of what it looks like. New signal here in about 5 seconds. We'll see kind of how it, we'll see how it looks. Preliminaries look okay. So yeah, sell signal here. Let's go sell. Stop. Again, I don't know if price is going to be able to extend beyond. Maybe I'm lying, as it is. Never mind. I just gave away profit for no reason. 260 bucks on that one. Or 200 bucks on that one. Super solid. Hopefully we'll get the machine learning going. What so far it doesn't look as promising without the fine tuning that's needed, and so we're going to see it gives a lot higher confidence scores, but I don't know if the confidence scores are the signals are any different than what we already have, and so the goal would be if it's similar or even, that's fine, that's good, and then if we fine tune it, that'd be great. But the signal, like the confidence scores, are like 99% confident. I'm like, all right, like bro, take a chill. You know what I mean? Sell right there. Stop. Price is rampaging up, so let's see if we can just squeeze out some profit here by letting price fall back down. Let's see if that's even the case here. We got a really good entry here, so we'll try to let that be the deciding factor. Bad signal, but good entry. So let's see what we got. We just need price to get back. There it is. Just enough room for us to make some money, I guess. Okay, a little bit there. Bad signal, both of you. We'll see. So right now, if the machine learning is giving, or if the updated model is giving us the same signals, that's great already. I just think the confidence scores are a little off. So we'll see. We can see this hour, we've got way more selling than buying, way more sell signals than buy signals. So something to keep an eye on. New signal here. Potential long. Let's see, a short. So we're gonna sit this one out, I think. We'll sit this one out. Yeah, buddy, that's wrong. Good choice by me. Okay. ATR is still at 43, by the way. So we will flip back to normal NQ in just a moment, or in a little. But we need man, we need the movement of candles to slow down just a bit. All right. Okay. New signal. Short and long. So we'll wait again. Really, every 2 minutes we'll get 2 signals, and I would like them to be the same. That kind of lets me know that we've got consensus here. I want them to be the same when they're different. Even though one confidence score is lower and one's higher, that's fine. I still want to make sure that they're the same direction, because if the 1 minute chart is reading a short, or technically this 2 minute chart is reading a short and the 1 minute chart is reading a long, that doesn't make any sense. So we'll call the long one good, because that would be a good signal technically, and this would be a bad one. Had we gone long, we have a little bit of drawdown, but a lot of profit potential. If we'd gone short, a lot of drawdown, very little profit potential. Five, four, three, two, one. New signal time. We'll get one signal here. Should be a buy. Good. Buy right there. Okay. Let's go stop right there. God, if we waited a half second, we'd have a much better value on this trade. Wow, price is really sliding. This is crazy. Minus 160 on that one. Still up 1,000. Bad signal. We've had a couple of these where price just kind of reverses on us. Like it kind of bucks the it kind of continues that downward trend. Price hits a plateau, boom. Price hits a plateau, boom. And we've had a couple of those, which is interesting. See if we can try and remedy that. But new signal here in 3 seconds, 2 seconds, no seconds. Short. Sell right there with the stop. Much better. Good. Nice. Good signal on ChatGPT. Great work. Give it a little more space there. Good. Good. Nice. 373 on that one. Good. Another short signal here. Probably not going to take this one. Happened too fast for us. It's already running. It's a good signal though, so all these are good. Good, and good. Good. All right. Okay. Thanks, McB. We've caught, that wasn't our biggest one. That was I think our third biggest. This one would have been pretty sizable too had we caught it. 20 seconds on next signal. We caught, I think these two right here. I think it was either these two or is this one of these two? It's one of those. We caught, is a group, one of the groupings. I think it was this one, and this one. And we caught. Super nice. New signal here. Okay, we've got a sell signal. I'll take it right there. Let's see if I'm going to be a little late to the party here. Let's find out. Close. Okay, good. Awesome. Okay, I think we got 160 on that one. Okay, we're up 1560 in this account. Nice. Okay. So good stuff there. Whoa. Yeah, don't do that. All right. Okay. So good signal there. We need another signal here. We're short. Let's go sell right there. Mark these as good, good and good. Really good spot here, by the way. Don't know if price runs for us, but yeah, it's a good spot. Okay, we're at 1582 in this account. Good. Nice stuff there. Oh man, we didn't give that one enough room. All right, let's flip into a new account here. Let's go ahead and flip into this one. Yeah, this one we're up 1,500 bucks. And let's go ahead and see if we can close this one out today, or try to at least. I got price maybe holding or wanting to test this low right here, this 52 level. That's about 12 points, 10 points away. We're about to hit it right now, I think. And so we'll see kind of what price wants to do with that. We'll see what price wants to give us here. New signal here in 3, 2, 1. Okay, should be a short, but let's see if price wants to reverse up just for a second. Oh man, my entry was stunk. Entry was bad. We're gonna get stopped out here. Yeah, as we should. As we should. Okay. As we absolutely should. Bad and bad, only because of the wake up. Get a new signal here. Okay. All right. New signal. Still a short. Let's go sell right there. Hello. Stop. Okay. Wow. Wow. Good trade there. Okay. Great signal. So you guys can see when we get price to slow down just a second, like just get price to wick up a little bit or wick in the opposite direction of the signal, we typically get really good trades out of that. So like this would be a bad short. Like I'm not going to take this short because look how far price is extended from the time we get our signal. Now, good signal, like high quality signal, it's not GPT's fault or anybody's fault. It's just price moved way too fast for us. And so if we, within 5 seconds, if price has moved a significant amount, in well, let me do this real quick. Hello, price is just rolling. Shit. If price has moved, 10, 15 points before we even able to get the signal and see the trade, not necessarily worth us taking that trade just yet, if that makes sense. So solid one there, but we weren't able to take it. Okay, new signal here in 3, 2, 1. Sell signal. Give me that. Could be a little early to the party on this one. Let's just find out. I'd like to see price run back down for me, but that'd be cool. But let's see what we can get. Wow. We got our stop hit, but like, wow. How am I only at $52 after that trade? Did I lose something or what the hell? All right, go back to even. All right. Bad signal you are. Okay, another 15 to 20 seconds. New signal. Okay, price is really skying here. Let's see if we get both to match. Wow. I'll jump in front of that. Let's just see really quick. Stop. Oh, okay. Bad decision on my end. My bad. I only lost 60 bucks on that one, or I think I lost 140 bucks on that one. Okay, so not great there. I wanted to see if I could maybe jump in, like, where price was and catch on like a pullback. Kind of not like that, but it would have to be pretty significant. Sometimes you can do that. Sometimes you can't. It was worth a shot, I think. But okay. So maybe like something like this. Like this is kind of what I was thinking I could maybe catch, and then trail it down like that. Sometimes this works. Like that would have been an insane entry, right? But you don't always get that. And so when you do something like that, you have to be very tight with your stop. You get in front of a huge move. Like that's insane how much movement that was up and down. Like that could have been a crazy catch for us. New signal here. We should have one, and it is a short. I'll take it right there. Stop above the previous wick high. Okay, good entry because we're already even though the candle's in the opposite color that we want it to be. Okay. Let's see here. Can price come down for us? I don't think so. Come on. Ugh, I just can't place it there yet. Now we can. What happened? Did it get hit that fast? Oh, wow. Okay. Kind of a mixed bag on this one. That was weird. Price moved so fast, my stop got hit, and I didn't even know. I didn't even see. I didn't see it. That's crazy. Let's go with that sell signal being good and that buy signal being bad. Okay, new signal here and right now. So you guys can see how fast price moves sometimes. Like this isn't worth us chasing just yet. Like that thing is scooting, and so we don't have a great chance at catching that, and so we should just not trade it altogether. So that thing has moved. It moved 12 points, really fast, which is great if we're in the trade, but bad if we're sidelined. All right, ATR is at 32, which is fine. We're still going to trade our micros, and we'll jump over to full size boys here in a little bit, but we'll have to wait. So I would say that's a pretty good signal considering. Let's just see what price wants to end up doing here. Okay, wick down was larger than the wick up. I don't think price is going to make a new high here. So we'll call that one a good one. Two new signals here, 34 and 34, long and short, so no. So we'll call this one solid. I have to call that right, call these that one bad. We'll see. We will see. Nice for these signals. Yeah, I love this type of trades. We're taking a tight stop. Kyle, Kyle, we are on the same page, my friend. You and I think the exact same on this. I prefer a tight stop. Now, I know some folks like a looser stop. They want to catch, like this entire move, which is cool. Like, that's great. That's just not my style. And it's not wrong or right. I'm not right and they're wrong. They're not right and I'm wrong. It's just a preference thing. When I'm scalping, I want to be in much control, as much in control as I can. And so I want to keep a tight stop here. Let's see if we get a short signal here. We do. Let's go sell right there. Oh, maybe the worst possible entry I could have had for that trade. I mean, that's bad. Just clicked it maybe a millisecond too late and I would have had much better value on this trade. There we go. Not that it's going to matter, I guess, all that much. Okay. Puts us back to minus 30 in this account. So we gotta do some soul searching here. VVV. Not available yet, V. Oh shit. Not available yet, my friend, but soon. Soon. It is coming. Promise you that. All right. So for those of you who are new watching here, we have a new signal here. So let's see what we have. If it's a long, all right, take that. Nope, we'll wait. We were up. We finished up $1,500 in the first kind of 30 minutes. So we switched accounts. Yeah, it's a bad signal. So we were up 30. I'm sorry, we were up $1,500 the first 30 minutes. We switched accounts. So now we're inside of our Topstep, our other evaluation account. We're just going to trade these two. And we are down $30 currently. So, and we'll wait for our next signal that'll come in 30 seconds. Let's look at the results of this account so far. What's the been? 57%. That makes sense. We've been trading like shit. All right. So that makes sense. Okay. Bad signals all around. We can look at the other account later, I guess, but. $37. Okay, I've got a short signal. I don't love this, but I'm going to take it. Let's see if ChatGPT can be more correct than I am or know better than I do. It certainly does. Apparently, good freaking trade here. Keep going or no? Wow. Wow. ChatGPT knows its shit. That's for sure. Damn. Really good trade there. Really good trade there. Okay. That puts us up 480. So solid trade there. That was a $500 trade there. That was good. It's a good signal, if any. Ever seen one? New signal here. We have a short. Let's go sell right there. And let's see if price wants to move for us again or not. Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go. Wow. Okay, good. Boom. Boom. We're up 718 in this account. Nice. Nice signal there. Okay. Yeah, Kyle, we're scorching now. We're scorching now. Market's moving. This signal was incredible. Let's see what this one. I have a feeling we're going to get a nice little pullback on price. Let's see if we can get a short here, though. Let's go sell right there. Stop. And this is going to be tricky for me. Let's see if we can get price to cooperate a little bit. Might not be able to get it, but if we do, it'd be pretty cool. Stop got hit. Okay, fine. Like 20 bucks. Horrific signal, though. What app? No app, just website, my friend. Just website. So good. Damn. Oh, I could have held on to that one. That would have been sick too. That'd been another $200-300. Fuck. Bad signal because price rampaged up, and I want these signals to be from the moment the candle opens. I want it to be a good trade if price rolls up a little bit, but not a ton. And even if it's a bad signal, where price rolls up like this, and then we're able to get into it, or even if we can make money on the trade, I still want to call that a bad trade. Like I still want to be very, very picky on these signals here. New signal here. Okay, short. I don't love this idea of getting in front of this. I'll do it. but we might have to give away some profit here. Yeah, back up 560 in this account. And had we given it a little more space, probably had a chance to be profitable there. But again, both of these are bad signals. Again, if GPT signaled long here, then we would have had, we wouldn't have caught it, but we would have plenty of opportunity to be profitable, right? We would have never let price get back down negative. We would have canceled this trade with plenty of cash. So that would be why this is a good signal for a long, but a bad signal for a short. That's a ton of points right there that we could have had. So not a good signal there. Neither one of these were good signals. We just happened to make money on one, not the other. New signal here. Should just get one. Okay, we've got a short signal. We're not going to be able to take this one. Let's just measure it really fast. It's a hell of a signal. 26 points, basically, and no drawdown. That's a great signal. We just weren't able to get into it. Lissandro, partially, not all the way, but partially. All right, 40 seconds. We are scratching the surface of what this can be. We haven't even gotten to machine learning yet. That's next, hopefully this week, but that is what's coming next, is the ability to learn from these signals and improve them. Okay. Come on. Short. Go ahead and take that. It was so delayed that we ended up working out for us. At least we got a good value on. Oh fuck, got a good value on this trade. I don't know if it's going to be a good trade, but we got a good value on it. Little tight on my stop, but that's okay. Made money on it. Little tight on my stop there. Another bad signal by you both. We were 6 and 7 seconds late. Part of ChatGPT is that it can get delayed. It's got a lot of demand, and so some of our signals don't come through as quick as they should. That's a fix. Going to maybe a different model could be beneficial. I don't know if there's a way to get priority routing, but I don't think that there is. All right, new signal here. If it's a long, it's gone. 44. I'm sorry, 43 is what I'm looking at. I'll go a little sell right there. Stop. And we were profitable for a slick second. Yeah, we got to run out of town on that one. Okay, we traded back down a few, like $300-400. So we got to be better than that. Getting a little antsy. Manus. That's great. That's great. That is great, my friend. That is great. Holy cow. Where are we at, VWAP? No, not yet. Not even close. 3, 2, 1, new signal here. We have a difference of opinion here. We have one signal for long, one signal for short. That long is incredibly correct, and that short is incredibly wrong. Again, we want to wait at even hours. We want to wait and make sure that we are taking trades where they both match if we can. And we want to be better today about not chasing. So what do we have? $400 in this account. We want to be better about not chasing and making sure that we are being responsible. We have a ton of trades that we could take, and we need to make sure that we are doing what's in the best interest of our account. So got to be patient. Happy to have everybody in the chat. If you guys are new around here, make sure you guys like the live stream. Always helps. Just a little button click. Nothing for you, but it means a lot to me. All right, 1 second, new signal here. And what do we have? I've got a short. I'll take that. Stop. Oh, I had a chance to be profitable. It ran away from me, but I had a chance. We're getting chopped up here, I think. Yeah. Okay, we're up 224 now. We were up 700, I think, and now we're trading back down. Not a great signal there. We had a chance. We had a split second to be profitable, but ultimately, price is moving way too fast for us to do anything with that one. That was quick, so a bad signal there. And so ChatGPT doesn't give me I'm not going to say a ton of not good signals, but I would say that some of these signals aren't great. Some of them are, and so I want to just get these to be improved a little bit. If this was a long and this was a short and these were all longs, that'd be a much better outcome. All right, new signal here. Long, good. Finally. Oh, we have differing signals here. I only saw the one, the first one that came through. Okay. See if price can give me something here. Gave me something. Come move. There we go. Move your tush. There we go. About $100 there. Trading back up. Good trade. Actually, it's hard to tell which one of these is right. Open price down was 14 points. Open price up was 12 points. So technically the short was more correct. New signal here in 2 seconds. 1 second. New candle. What we got here? Short. Oh man, very similar to what we had last time. Similar-ish price action. You're a good signal. So we caught this candle right here, this big red one. And that was off of this green huge candle right here. ChatGPT gave us a short and we were able to just jump in it. And I didn't like it, but it just ran in our favor, which was great. So that's interesting. McB, we are trading five micros right now. Only because the ATR is so high. ATR is still currently sitting at 35. When it gets down to like 25 or so, like I will take some off the table. I'll jump over to micros or just normal minis. Excuse me. But right now it's way too high for me to trade one micro or one mini, so we have to trade micros. Jeez, I'm all over the place though. Sorry. Let's go sell right there with the stop. I'm gonna need price to really run for me. I'm gonna forfeit some cash here again. I should not have done that. I should have waited a half second. All you gotta do is move your stop and take your finger off the button and it's set. But it's gotta get there first. There it is. Okay, so we'll take that. Boom. Okay, great signal there. About $200. Okay, GPT. New signal in a second here. If it's a short, it's gone. If it's a long, okay, we got a chance. Sell, stop. I would have liked to gotten in right around there, but I'll settle for what I can. Oh, how did you not give me fill? Price is moving way too fast here. It's going to run one way or the other. We have to just set our stop and hope it goes in our favor. There it is. Like I said, price is going to run. Hope it goes in our favor. Boom. Okay, nice. Another little 250 there. Good signal as well. Good stuff. We're up 658 in this account. New signal here in about 8 seconds. 2 seconds, 1 second. New signal time. Short. Go sell right there with the stop up here. There it is. Excellent entry there. We're up 836 in this account. Good shot. Boom and boom. Both of you guys are really good. Actually, according to my ethos, I don't know if that's actually a good signal or not. If it worked out well, I would love this type of signal every time. That's 18 points. That's 17. That's actually a bad signal. Can I change it? Let me see. There we go. Nice. Nice. All right. Always good to have trading view open just to see some of the things I can't see on the Tradeovate. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second till new candle. Long, buy right there with the stop down here. Oh boy, that was my chance to break even, I guess. Another one. Okay, small. We're up 876 in this account. Okay, Big B, where do you see the ATR at? My friend, on TradingView, I just go TradingView and then you add an indicator. I think I have enough time to show you this. You go to indicators and then you just search ATR, average true range, click it, add it on your chart, and then boom, it's there. I change the color so I can see it better with my background. Good signal. Another long. This is going to be tough. We got a pretty good fill, but I don't know if price is going to hold for me. It's trying though. Thank you. Come on, don't be like that. Yeah, there we go. We make a little bit of money. There we go. Boom. All right. We're up 974 there, and man, we could have had a lot more gain there. That would have been sick. Look at our dispersion of signals. A lot more shorts than longs. So we know which way the market's trying to go, but we'll see. I need to change these hours around. Fuck. We really could have, man. All right. We're trading excellent right now. At least ChatGPT is. Another long. Can price get back down here a little bit? Let's see. Okay, buy right there. My stop right here. I'm just gonna put my stop above price. I probably should have let it go. If it gets hit, it gets hit. Fuck it. Okay. We're up $1,000 here in this account. Okay, about $1,000 in 25 minutes or so. Super solid. Let's keep it rolling. That's a good signal. I just could not take advantage of it. Great signal. Sometimes when you have a tight stop, sometimes you kind of miss out on some. This one being the main example, but this candle a little bit too. We probably could have squeezed out maybe another $40, $50 for sure. Let's see. We have a long here. Let's go buy right there. The stop. Right above entry. Good. Not going to say my stop was too tight there. Okay. Good. Okay, we're about $392 out from passing this eval. Oh, that makes sense as to why that. Okay. You were wrong. You were right. Okay, we've had a couple of these in a row now where we could have held on a little longer and boom, we could have made a little bit more. It's not necessarily like a weakness in my game because you guys have seen me catch some monster trades today, but sometimes when price doesn't cooperate or move the way I want it to move, really what it is if I get into a trade where I'm late, my stop becomes very tight because if I'm late to it, I don't want price to reverse on me and have a huge negative trade. I'll finish that thought here if we get something else here. Long, let's go buy right there. So if I get into a trade where price is already moving in the favor of the signal and I'm late, I really don't want to stay in that trade too long. or have a too deep of a stop because price could just erase the gains that I've created so far. We're going to set that stop right there and leave it. If we lose 160, lose 160. Yeah. All right. It's fine. Ass of a trade. So this every once in a while gets us. Well, it happened here, I think. Happened again here. So tough. And seeing about this on my run this morning. But ultimately, like we can't solve for every trade. And that's why it's important to have a tight stop if you want to do that. That's why it's important to, maybe trade at a certain time of day when you're available. But like be consistent. You're not going to win every trade. You cannot win every trade. And so we just have to be responsible with what we're doing here. All right. So I've got a short signal here. Oh, I want to take it, but I can't. If price gets green, I'll take it though. It gave me an opportunity. I didn't take it. Good signals, both of you. Good job. Good signal. I had a small window to take that, and I didn't take it. Okay. Remember, if you guys are new around here, make sure you guys like the live stream. I'm sure you guys are doing your work, catching up on chores, doing whatever, and I'm in the background playing. But if you can, click that like button. It always helps. All right. 2 seconds, 1 second, new signal time, baby. Let's go. Short, sell, stop, go. Remember, we're not going to catch every single trade, but do our best. Okay, we're up 876 on that. Tight stop got me a little burnt, but that's okay. Here's VWAP up here. We can see maybe VWAP's in the picture, but there's no way to tell that price is going to reverse on this candle and not fucking this one. So I don't take too much into it. But like I was talking about before, that's a good signal. There is no way for us to win every single trade. Doesn't matter all the technology, AI, whatever the hell. Unless, yes, my friend, unless for you to be a little cheaper. And I don't know what the price will be yet. Only because I'm not sure. It's not as good as I want it to be just yet, if you can imagine that. But new signal here. Short. Oh, I can't take it. I want it though. Both of those are short. I like that a lot. I love that signal. Couldn't take it though. Still can't take it. So if price for these signals, if price goes in your favor initially, rolls a certain like down as an example, it rolls down, and then it rolls back up, it maybe goes green, like maybe this candle might. Bad, like not a good chance for you to enter a trade. Okay, just not. Like you missed a trade, that's fine. We're gonna get a new signal, ideally every single minute, and so you can sit out a few. But this was one of those where, man, we had a chance to get into this one, or we didn't have a chance to get into this one. We could have pulled the trigger on it and been late, and we would have made some money too, honestly. But let's be responsible. New signal here, new trade. Okay, new candle, short. Let's see. I'm gonna sell right there. This could be not a great idea, but let's see. Small victory. Small victory. I don't even know if the signal's good yet. I'm like too zoomed in. The signal's fire. Yep, didn't give enough space. Didn't give it enough space. There's a if you guys can't tell already, there's a very specific style of like trade that I prefer, and it's the one where price rolls up and then quickly moves in my favor. Like obviously everybody likes that, but I am just very partial to that type of trade, that type of candle movement. And so when price doesn't initially go in my favor, I get a little jumpy. That one's gone. That's gone. Like nothing we could do about that. That bad boy is gone. And there's just nothing we got for it. It opened up and screamed down. We had no chance. Shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Okay. Okay. For today so far, we're up 800 plus 1500, 23, almost $2,400 today. I think we're about 2,400 bucks today. I think I'm over 1530 in that account, which would give us, yeah, so we're about 2,400 bucks today. So solid day, solid start to our day, much better than yesterday. And I think the difference between today and yesterday is simply the fact that we're trading the appropriate size. That's all. That's the only difference. Okay, let's see. We got a long signal. God, okay. I'll trust it, but man, I don't want to. Oh, wow. All right, never mind. I'll be quiet. Boom. Nice. About $1,000 in this account. Great freaking signal. We could have made a little bit more money on it, but that's okay. It's okay. I'll try not to be too pissed about it, but okay. You guys see what I mean? There are certain trades where I get into them, they move in my favor, great. And sometimes I have to give my stop a little more space. And sometimes price is just trying to figure out how much further it's going to go up or down. And so you get these big drawdowns on these candles. That's what a trailing stop is for. You're never going to get the peak of what your P&L says. And by all the trades that I have watched on film, like rewatched, I'm just like, man, I was up 500 bucks. I only made 280 on that one. Like you're never going to capture all of the profit unless you click a full exit, and then that way you'll never catch all of the full profit. Long, good, good. Stop. Please don't be one of those where I just get back all my profit. Please move in my favor. I would like that a lot. Man. I guess this makes sense. We have a huge upper wick here. It does, makes sense. If price can get anywhere near, I'll put my stop right there. Yeah, that's fine. I won't risk too much. Okay, we're up $8.99, almost 900 bucks here. So you, my friend, are a bad signal. Both of you guys are. So GPT struggles, and maybe it's the data that I'm giving it, but it struggles with this high wick and reversal. Like those trades are going to get me burnt every time. New signal here in 2 seconds. Let's see. Short, sell. Okay, price is flying here. Let's see if we can get price to roll back for us. I'm trying to release my stop, but I can't place it. There it is. That was a dramatic. Small victory there. We're up 925. Again, I also value, just as my own trading, this is a bad signal, is I want my stop to be at profit. And that could be part of the reason why at times, let's go sell right there. Stop. Okay. Sometimes my stop gets hit prematurely because I value, we made $1 on that one. I value, that's a really good signal though. I value my stock being in profit. I value that a ton. Mostly because once price gets into profit, if the signal is correct and we're trading at the right time of day, which is market hours and price is moving, we should get plenty of movement to make us moderately profitable. I never want a trade to go profitable, turn negative, and get my stop hit. I really don't like that. That drives me nuts and makes me go crazy more than like losing a trade. I don't actually care about losing trades. As you guys have seen, I'm taking a shit ton of trades. We lose trades all the time. Who cares? Trades going from making a ton of money to losing money, no go for me. I do not like that. And so I optimize for that not to be the case. And let's see what we have here. Short, sell, stop. Okay. Let's just see how price wants to navigate this. Small victory again. We are chipping away, my boy. We are chipping away. All right, so we are up 929 in this account. Bad signal here. Yes, Kyle, you're speaking my language, my friend. Speaking my language. I don't love the small itty bitty trade. It's not my favorite, but like at times, if it's all I can get, it's all I can get. And so it's either I don't take the trade, I make 20 bucks, or I take a massive L. And so I'd rather take the small trade, then rather not take the trade at all, if that's possible. Um, but man, I certainly don't want. I like a long here. What does a GPT like though? It likes a long. I think that's going to be a pretty solid entry. Could be ass, but could be solid. It's dancing around, so there we go. I tried to give you room and you didn't take it. I tried to give you room and you just decided, no, I don't want it. Yeah. So on that one, the opportunity would have been to enter somewhere down in here, like open to somewhere in here. That's the opportunity. If that was possible, then our stop would be, I think, pretty reasonable and we would have been able to capture, ride, and hold on to this trade here. Didn't get that, so it is what it is. Peter, they do. They do, my friend. They do. You guys are seeing it the way I see it. But ultimately, we get a new signal every minute. And so, like, we don't have to hit grand slams every time. We got a long here. Let's go buy right there. Stop. And you guys do see that we hit the home runs too. At times, we just also hit like bunts that like turn into an error that get us on base, you know. This is a nice little move up here. Oh, God. Okay. Oh, all right. Super solid there. We're up 1251. Really nice trade there. 1007 was that one? No, that was like 300 bucks, I think. Man, we had a little more to go there too. We would have passed this eval if we held on to that a little bit longer. Again, you're never going to catch Ron. I can Ron. Let me get to that in a second. Um, you're never going to catch 100% of the candle. Doesn't matter what you do, and so you have to be okay with price running away from us a little bit at times. But man, I would love to finish this one out. Let's go buy right there. Stop. Let's see if price can continue to rampage for us. I'm looking at this previous wick high on my left right here. That's kind of like a point where price could reverse. Well, it definitely touched down. Let's see. Come on, now you want to pause? Come on, dog. Yeah, this isn't going to be as friendly as I want it to be, is it? Okay, we kind of touched that previous wick, that high right here. But I don't think it's going to matter. Nope. Okay, we're back up to $1,000. We need 320 bucks. 420 bucks to pass. Fuck. You're bad and you're bad. What do you think? Short? Really? God, I don't believe in this at all. I'll tell you that right now. Stop above the high here. Ugh. Yeah, that was stupid. ChatGPT, what the fuck? What the fuck? You got sucker by this. I know you did. Ron, can you give? Yes, I can give it the history. I can. And that Ron, if that's its own machine learning, potentially. Logan, this is my own website. It's not released yet. Soon though. Fuck. We could have passed this eval if we held on to this a little longer. We didn't need to take that. We took it anyway. And then this would have been sick for us to be in. But what were we doing? Like, why are we going short? Ron, yes. Like that could be its own machine learning in a way. Is us taking the data every so often and then just trying to figure out like what's the best. I've got a long signal here. I'll take that. Limit. Stop rather. Small victory again. I mean, we are just like chunking away at this. So far, this is a good signal. Let's see if it turns into a bad one. We're right above VWAP, so that makes sense as to why the volatility is there. Ron, yes, I could certainly. 12 points, 14 points, 12 points. You know what? Nah, I'll call it a bad signal. Back down to VWAP here, it looks like. Ron, I could do that and kind of do my own manual updating and learning. The prompt I would need to figure out, but then I'd also need like, let's see what we got here. I know you like a short. I know you do. Let's see if we were just early that last signal, or if you really are just not seeing it right. Nice. Oh. We have opportunity to get in this one again. I would do it, but I'm not going to. I'm not greedy. 913. No, you're a bad signal still. Damn it. Part of me thinks, and I could be wrong, but part of me really believes that this candle is going to come crashing down. I could be wrong, and in which case my trade would have been perfect. But oh man, I actually really felt like this trade was going to come straight down. This candle was. I really thought that. Wow. The fact that it didn't is actually really surprising to me. Okay, signal tonnage. All right, let's see what we got. New signal now. Okay, well, if it's a short, I'll take it. Sell. Oh man, we're gonna run into this problem again. Oh, all right, GPT. This is on me. You're correct and you're wrong. That one's on me. I should not have taken that trade. I should have waited. I wasn't paying attention at the time. Even numbers, even time frames, we're gonna get a 2-minute and a 1-minute signal. If they're the same, we take the trade. If they're different, we wait. And I saw this one first and thought, boom, short. Nope, needed to wait just another second, and I would have gotten this signal to come through, and that would have told me no trade, and we would have saved a couple $100. So we're trading kind of annoyingly in this account. We were up 1,300, I think, and then we kind of pissed away some money. We've taken 58 trades. That's insane. We have a 72% win rate. Pretty nice for that tonnage of trades. That's an insane amount of trades. Holy cow. Look, our account was up $1,400. It was almost up $1,500. Almost. And somehow we managed to mess that up. We have a long here. Let's go ahead and take that. Wow. It happens. Like, I'm not worried about it. It happens, but man. This is pissing me off because we really should have been. Don't dance with me like this. Man, we really had a chance to just be done with this bad boy and we messed it up. Now, price got a little tricky. That's okay, but man, I can stop that again. 180. Okay, we're up $500 in this account. Not great. We took that one late too. I really thought that we potentially had a shot at this one going in our favor, but we didn't. That's all right. Making $1,000, I don't think is a big deal for us. We just have to make sure that we're doing it responsibly. Short, damn. All right, GPT. I kind of see where you were coming from on this. But Ron, to go back to your question, yeah, I could certainly, like do my own little machine learning, I guess. Certainly. Um, Logan, no, probably. Will I give steps on setting this up? No, it's actually very tricky. No. Um, Monthly API calls. Lisandro, it's about $20 a day. No, it's about like $12 a day. I had more signals going over the weekend, which can be a bit annoying, but it's about $12 a day. If I just keep it on NQ futures, if I start adding more and more, it starts to really ramp up. So my car gets charged every day essentially. Okay, what are we looking for? Short. I'm not taking that. I'm not taking that. That's a horrific signal. this GPT is using. Hong, it's not necessarily a strategy. Essentially, it's basically taking a screenshot of my chart and then reading it and then giving me a confidence score. So there's no real strategy behind it. It's just you give it a bunch of data. Hong, no doubt, no doubt. I think that as time goes on, you know, the model that we choose to work with, I think it's going to continue to change because they all get better and better. So Claude's awesome. I know Grok's decent, although I haven't been a huge fan of Grok as much. Gemini's pretty good as well. Um, so it really just comes down to what works the best, getting everything hooked up. But then from there, let's see what we got here. Long, go buy right there. Stop. Man, price is not going in my favor. I'm not going to hold on. We're only up 300 bucks in this account now. We've traded back down 1,200 bucks. That's no fun at all. At all. Now, this is one of the reasons I do like Topstep is if this was an Apex account or any other account that has a trailing draw, we would have like we'd be done with this account. Even though I'm profitable, I was up 1,500 or 1,400 or something. Got a little cocky, and then now we're only up 380. So it's one of the reasons I do prefer Topstep is you just have that flat, can't lose $1,000 in a day, okay, and then you're good. You're good to go. ATO's at 37. We'll get price to uncork a little bit. It's going to be while it's choppy. We'll just have to sit here and kind of take the trades that we can get. Let's see. Right now, price has been basically opening up and running. Okay, short. Go sell right there. Stop. Let's see if price can make a new position here without hitting my stop. Nope, not yet. Man, oh man, this is ugly. Can we get back on track is the real question. 130 on that one. All right, we're up 227. Man, we are getting toasted right now. So we've given back basically all of our profit in this region right here. Okay, like fine. What we have to do is I have to get ChatGPT to recognize how choppy this is, and then we'll do a couple things. A, give me lower confidence scores, obviously, but B, like we have to start looking at reversals in this type of situation. Okay, so we have a sell signal. I'll take a sell right there. Let's see if we can avoid this, our fate of just getting, we've had like 7 or 8 losses in a row, by the way. Got a ton. What did I just do? Did I close that out myself on accident? Or did price hit it? I don't remember. It's bad. Good signal, bad signal. I agree with the short. Okay, well, it's somewhat on track. Haven't had a good trade in 10 minutes, really. Anyway. Hung, that could be the truth. I don't know that to be a fact for me, but for sure. Hector, 4.0 or 3.5, one of the two. No, Logan. Logan, I meant not Hector. Logan, I will never, not never say never, but I probably won't allow it to go fully automated. We'll talk about that in a second. Let's see if price can do something for us. Okay, price is going to run here, so we're not going to be able to catch this one, I don't think. Logan, it won't go full auto. Because I just don't trust that I can have sustained success going full auto. Some of these trades are so different that having a set amount of parameters as to when a trade is to be open, this is supposed to happen. Each trade it has its own little personality, and we just kind of got done with doing a trading bot on this channel here, trying to make one that was worth a shit, and it was okay. We had some good results, we had some bad results, but ultimately, when it comes to these trading bots, I gotta trade this account better. I really do. I've been fucking off. When it comes to trading bots, a lot of times you have to code with specific parameters, and it can be really tough. Let's go sell right there. Stop. It's price. Smacked. Okay. I mean, we're getting small victories here. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, Kyle, that probably is the best case scenario here. Is just wait to see what happens. Probably something we have VWAP, so we know price is gonna be interested by that. But something like that, where we've got about a 40-point nice little spread. Um, ATR is at 32 ish. So we'll kind of just watch it from here. ChatGPT said short. That was a much better signal than a long. We'll kind of just watch the signals here. Yeah, the Logan, the trading bot thing is interesting because obviously we all would like to just have a trading bot just crushing trades for us, and like I want that too. But what I have found is that you have to have so many variables and so many if thens because of how much and how different price can react and respond that it just makes it really tough. It really does. And so doing this manually to me just makes the most sense. It really does. Even though it might not be the best use of time per se. Um, well, I guess it is if we make enough money. But doing this manually just to me is a much better solution for where we are right now. Now in the future, if we could get what I think is in the future, if AI gets good enough, we'll have machine learning, and I think it'll be more accessible to everyone. Right now, it's very difficult to implement, and you have to start with the bare bones. But if we could get to the point where like we have machine learning or just self learning on our results, then yeah, you would just need enough time and capital to test it, and then eventually you'd have a really good strategy. Not that that can't happen now; it's just going to be tough. Let me get some more water here. I will be right back. As soon as I walked away, huh? Short. Let's go sell right there. As soon as I walked away, price wants to do something interesting. Let's go stop right there. See if we can get price to do something for us. Okay. I'll have to measure that previous candle too. Like really, really nice short. Stop gets moved and hit. Okay. So bad. 24, 25 is a sell as well. Bad signal. I'll take it. I'll take it though. Let's see if we can get price to cooperate and drop below our entry. That'd be a little bit of a risky trade here. Let's see. Here comes price, yeah. All right, we're at 58 bucks in this account. We officially traded this account all the way back down. No. Yes. Okay. We gotta get together here. All right, let's log back in. Good grief. Okay. New signal here. Basically a brand new fresh ass account. That's good. Long. Let's go buy right there. Stop. See if we can get price to cooperate here. We need to catch, a couple $100 move here. Not need to, but we need to get price to move a little bit for us. There we go. Well, that helps get us back a little bit. That helps. Good signal there. That's great, Lissandro. Forward, yeah, any pretty good accurate levels, but getting exposure levels. What's the point in having levels? I don't understand that. I don't understand the point of just giving levels. Like, what do you do with your levels? I've never been a big fan of long-term support and resistance. I call me crazy, but long. like sometimes they work, and I get that. I totally get that. But it's like it works when it works, and then we ignore it when it doesn't work. And I don't know. I've just never been a big fan of support and resistance. It's no knock to anybody that uses it or does it. I have just never been a huge fan, nor have gotten support and resistance to be totally trustworthy and useful consistently. There we go. Small victory again. Man, price is rolling. It just isn't giving us what we need. Let's see what that signal is going to be about. Take care, everyone. Kyle, you too, my friend. Peace, brother. Are we sure we can? I want to put this out there, Lissandro. I'm not doubting what you are doing, but I want let's look at this trade, and I will say my piece. I think we're gonna get a short here. Sell. Good. Stop up here. Are we sure we can tell where our institutional levels are? Like, are we 100% confident that we can see when there's a limit order placed? I just don't believe that. I think that's one of the biggest trading myths, that we can see where the big banks and hedge funds are placing their trades. I just don't, I don't buy into it. And I know everybody has their opinion and whatnot, nothing wrong with it, but man, I just don't believe that we can really see the huge money, because a lot of these trades aren't even put on the market. A lot of these trades are off. There's a new stat. It was I'll have to find it and show it to you guys at some point. But there's a new stat of these institutions, the amount of transactions taken off of the market, and they're just basically traded in between with the middleman. But there's no market actual exposure. Is unseen new levels. We're gonna get along here. We're getting our ass chopped. But let's see if we can wrap it up here. Bad and bad. Okay. And then let's go stop. Man, this choppiness is really hurting us. I'll tell you that much. Man. Got some bad mojo here. Let's see. Good morning, bad mid-morning, I guess, which has been completely opposite of what we've been used to. We're used to having really choppy early and then much better mid-morning, but man, we are just getting whack-a-mole back and forth. This one's going to turn into a big, nice little stop, isn't it? Fudge. Man, we're gonna be in this count a while, because I thought we would just go ahead and knock this out real quick. Nope. Yeah, I don't know if you can just see where big money is playing. I don't know that that's a real thing. New signal says short. We'll take that. I need to check my ATR here when we get a second, just to see, and maybe we can flip back over to minis instead of micros. There we go. Really? Is that like what we're doing? Wow. $100 there, but like, wow. All right. Down. We're still super high on the ATR, super high. So we got to stay here. As much as I would like to just jump in on some minis and catch some massive trades, we can't. Um, it sounds sick, my friend. It really does. It sounds sick. I just don't know how you can. I don't know how you can track those things. Is my total point. A lot of these huge transactions aren't taken on the open market like we take them. Okay, so I've got a long signal here. Can't take that. We'll wait. All right, so I had two sell signals there. No good, no good. And we'll see what this one wants to be. I call that pretty good. No downward wick. I'll call that pretty good. Really appreciate everybody in the chat conversing. Happy to have all you guys here. Yeah, I don't know. I just call me old fashioned, but man, I've seen like how trades are placed. I've seen it, and it is not the way that it is talked about on YouTube or explained by some guru in a chat room or a court. Like it is just isn't the case. These decisions are made, and they're made in blocks, and like it just happens. There isn't this magical thing where we can spot it. Like these decisions aren't out there for anybody, and they're phone calls made and trades placed. They're just I don't know if there's enough data that you could actually have to find these things. Long, we're gonna go buy right there. Stop. Okay, can we get price to cooperate a little bit? If we can, should have ourselves a decent trade here. Could have let my stop go, but I didn't in hopes that we would get something like this. This is good. Okay. All right. We're back to plus, which is good. Always a nice thing to have that. McB, ideal ATR. Oops. 1 second here. I messed up my chart a little bit. Answer that question in a second. Because it actually depends. New signal here. I'm looking for a long, I think. Buy. Stop. Stop. Another $50. We're up $100 again. We're trading back. I've completely forgotten that we were up $1,500 in this account. I've put that out of my mind. I don't even consider it anymore. I can't. Maybe what's the ideal ATR? So there is no such thing as ideal ATR per se. Being above 8 is my preference. It needs to be above 8. It doesn't even seem like it could happen that we would have price moving so small in the morning, but we did in 2024. We did. I've got a short here. I'll take that right there. It's aggressive, but I'll take it. Let's see. And our entry wasn't great on this one. Okay. $15 on that one. Super small. I don't know if this is a good signal though. No such thing as too big of an ATR per se, but anything above 8. Now, what I would say is like when the ATR is super high, so we're sitting at 30, even though this is lower than it's been, we're at 30. Like that's 30 points per candle. That's a crazy amount of movement. I know it doesn't like seem like it, but man, that's a huge amount of movement. And so we just have to size correctly. It's not necessarily about the perfect ATR. Short. And so like when it's higher, we have to go, micros and less contracts. When it's lower, we can go more micros or just move to minis altogether. I'm about to get my ass smacked out of this one, I think. We're gonna lose on If this thing pops back up, we're gonna lose. But let's see. There we go. Wow, that was crazy. It's a crazy way to make 50 bucks. Bad signal and good signal. So when the ATR is higher, we go less risk. So we can go like micros. I'm in 5 micros. Usually I like to trade 1 mini. Like that's just kind of my preference. But ATR is so high that like a 20-point stop isn't even one full candle. And so when that's the case, I can't risk having that much on a trade, and a candle's normal movement would hit my stop. That's crazy. Like that's a crazy amount of sliding around. And so if that's the case, we have to just go smaller so we can give it more room. The tricky part about that is it takes more trades, especially when you're right, to get the profit that you're looking for. That can be the tough part, and that's something that I struggled with just kind of earlier on. Was you've got winning trades, and then you have losing trades, but your winning trades are kind of small in comparison to your losing trades. They just aren't huge. You have to win a ton just to make a little bit of money. And so I like having more risk on. I have to take less trades, which means I'm a little bit more diligent, and I'm typically a little bit more accurate, just because I'm like focusing on what trades I should and shouldn't be taking. I don't know. I don't know if this is a good signal, a bad signal. I'll call it good. We'll take a look. Watch for the next one. Short. We'll wait on this one too. We won't take it yet. I should have, but moved too fast. That was a really good trade by GPT. I just was not able to take it. Fudge. But yeah, as I say, hopefully that does answer that question. But ATR is the most important, because if you don't know how much to risk, like per trade, then you're just guessing. You're taking a ton of risk. Do you have a special? I think I do. It's 7. I have the length set at 7. That's the only special edition I've got. So just put that there. It measures the previous 7 candles. That just helps me be a little bit more on time. Sell. Earlier today, this would be a trade that just fucking flies. But today, or right now, it's choppy as a mug. It's better. Okay, good. We're up 275 again. Solid. Okay. Holy Earth, what's going on, my friend? So far, so good. We're up, I think $1,700 for today so far. This account, we traded back down, which is annoying, but we'll figure it out. What do you like? Long? Too late. You waited too long, my friend. I was not able to catch that. 4 seconds. So some of these signals come in nice and quick. Some come in a couple seconds delayed, and there's a big difference between 2 seconds and 4 seconds, or 1 second and 3 seconds in the amount of time that price can move. So we're kind of trading the same little area. I got to get that down too. Got to get that down too. Hell of a signal. Good shot. Good job. Okay. Yes, I put my ATR at 7, and that helps me keep it a little bit more, I guess, recent. Okay. New signal here. Long. Okay, I'll go stop right there. There we go. A little $100. Nice. That's what the doctor called for. Boom. There we go. We get back. We get back a little bit. Finally. Finally. A long right there again. Stop. Stop hit. Okay. We're up almost 700 bucks. So you were good. You're good. You're good. You are bad. Bad signal. All right. So hopefully you guys are kind of seeing. I'm on the 1 minute time frame, my friend. I'm on the 1 minute time frame. I always go 1 minute. I want. I get signals from the 2 minute as well, but I trade on the 1 minute. And the reason for that is I like seeing the price. And ultimately, I want this thing to give me as many trades as it can. And the job for me is then just to fine tune so that it can be as good as it possibly can. Let's see if we get what we have here. Short. I disagree with that. I'm not taking a short, ChatGPT. I'm not doing it. You've gotten me fucked up so many times. Yeah, okay. You guys are both giving me bad advice. Neither one of you can agree. So the 2 minute comes in first, and then the 1 minute comes in after. So this is the 2 minute signal. It says long, 1 minute says short. And when my first day using this, it was the first day or second day, one of the two. I can't remember, but I was like, it didn't go as well as I wanted it to. The signals were shit the first day. The second day, it went a little better, but it wasn't like great. And I was like, well, you know what? I probably need to have 2 time frames giving me signals. And so adding the 2 minute to just having a 1 minute signal helped tremendously. And so I have a 2 minute locked in and a 1 minute, and we use that. We use them together. New signal. Long. Oh, I chased. I know better than to do that. Fortunately, my stop can't be anything but below candle open. So it has to move for us. Yeah. We lost 90 bucks on that. I knew better. I knew better than to do that. I don't think we'd be profitable yet. I really don't. I think we'd still be negative. So this is a good trade. Well, so far, I just messed it up. HD, Chancho, yes, you are correct. Yes, I developed it myself. Yes, I had this idea for 2 months now, and we just got last week. I think we got it. Today's Tuesday. Yeah, I got it like last week Tuesday. I got it. So anyway, long stop. This is one of those where if it works out for us, it's going to be because price pulls back to its open but not goes green. I don't expect this candle to go green at all. I just expect it to stay red, but give me something. It gave me a little. It gave me commission. Shit. Bad signal. We lost money, but only on the commission. So I'm not mad about that. What is our, we've traded like shit. I wouldn't be surprised if we're sitting at 65%. Wow, we're still at 72% for this account. Oh my gosh. 87 trades. You guys have been in for a treat. Max, look at that max drawdown. Terrible. Look at my max run up. Ugh. You're like, why didn't you stop? Well, because I only need like 60 more bucks and I would have passed this eval. Instead, I'm sitting here at plus 600 bucks now, waiting for another really good trade. Let's see what we got. Going short here is really risky, but I might take it if ChatGPT says so. Okay, short. Again, another one of those where if it just gets a little less green, we can make some money here. Like that. Okay, we lost $2 on commission. Because we could have made a little more. So having it at break even, depending on how much break even is, you're gonna lose a little bit on commission. So I've lost $4 on commissions when I could have made a little more on this one, maybe like 20 bucks. Not a whole lot. So far, not a great signal, my friend. So that's okay. Like there are gonna be times where we get into trades, it goes to even, it drops below even, and then boom, it takes off. And you guys have seen that today. Sometimes price gets to even and then it goes down, it rolls back up and it hits your stop, and you only make a little bit of money. That happens too. Or you lose like a dollar or two or whatever. That's fine. Like that, we chalk those up to the game. Okay, short signal here. We're not going to catch this one. But we're late though on the signal. 8 seconds late. Oof, 10 seconds late. All right, I need you guys to not use ChatGPT for model trading because it delays it. I'm just kidding, but that's the high. No, that's the open. Shit. 22. It's a good signal so far. If it holds. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. If you guys are new around here, make sure you guys like the live stream. It always helps. Keep it going. Let's go. New signal here. Short. Sell. And if we waited another second, we would have had a much better fill. But let's just see if price can cooperate and go lower. There. Oh, are you serious? All right. There we go. I was going to say, there's no way. All right. We made about 94 bucks on that one. Okay. ChatGPT doing its thing. Good stuff there. All right. All right. New signal here in about 5 seconds. We are up 694. New signal says long, am I guessing? Short. Yeah, I don't trust this one at all, but okay. Waiting to place my stop. I hit. We got run on that one. That was one where our when you do a trailing stop, it's a market order. And so sometimes you get the benefit of the doubt, sometimes you don't. That was one where our break even was right above entry, or technically right below entry, technically. The price ran. Oh, that's why, of course, I didn't pay attention. Price ran so fast that we end up losing 15 bucks on that. So I'm not sure if that counts as a win or a loss. Technically, it should be a win, but um, price just blitzed our trail. And I knew I didn't like that trade because this is the same thing ChatGPT gets confused on all the time. But let's just see what it turns into here. Long, long. I'll go buy right there. Stop. And then let's see if we can get price to cooperate a little bit. Good fill here. You know you're in a good trade when you're profitable and the candle is the opposite color of what you're looking to get. So let's see if price can move here a little bit. Good. Let's see if it can pick up steam. There we go. Just a little bit. Okay. I'm a little tight on my trail here, I'll admit that. Okay, good. We're up 760. Solid. That's a good signal. I know it doesn't look like it, but price basically gave us what we were looking for in a timely manner. Good signal. Let's see here. Snoopy, I'll answer your question in just a second. 3, 2, 1, new signal. Long. Okay. Bye. Entry wasn't the best as far as timing goes, but all right. All right, break above break even. Come on, break that high and run. Break that little wick right there and go. Well, but keep me in the trade. We're up 793. Good, good. Snoopy, are you really using ChatGPT for your program? Yes, my friend. Yes. Um, yeah, and I laugh because they charge my card every day for using it. So when you use their API, it costs money. It is not free. All right, let's see what we got here. Short. Oh man, my entry was horrific for what I thought I got there. I thought, oh wow, I thought I was getting something much better than I was getting. Yeah, I was due for that. We're down back down to 677. That sucks. The price moves super fast. I thought I was gonna get my entry up here or like somewhere up in here. It ended up being down here. The fuck. So I had to deal with a ton of drawdown, which I was not expecting this to see. I don't even know if that's a bad signal or not. What's the ATR sitting at? ATR is at 25. We'll hang in here on 5 micros just for a little bit longer. We've been trading it decently. Price really jumped around there for us. So let's kind of wait and see. Uh, you were incorrect for sure, my friend. All right, we'll get 2 signals here. We'll get 2 signals here. Okay. Long, long. Tight stop there. Super tight stop. Wanted to make it that way. We're at 591. It's about a little less than $100. Not bad. Wanted to make it tight because my entry was a little delayed as far as when I should have gotten into that. All right, that's 8 points down, 12 points, 8 points up, 12 points down, and counting. So we're going to call that a bad signal. This is trade of 8, HD Chancho, but this is it's trade of 8 is what you're looking at. Trade of 8, and we're using Topstep's evaluation right now. Yeah, ChatGPT is pretty cool. It is cool. It's not the best. I'm not saying it like it's bad. It's not the best. It can be better. Like there are better out there, but it is pretty solid. New signal says short. We'll go ahead and sell that. Stop. And let's see if we can get price to extend for us. Is what we're looking for. And by extend, I mean like go down. Okay, stop placed. Hit a couple dollars on that one. It's a good signal. It moved down pretty fast. We just weren't able to catch it. Yeah, ChatGPT is pretty cool. I think there's some other ones. I'm not sure if ChatGPT is the best of the commercial grade LLMs right now. I don't. That's actually bad. Sorry, flip that over. I actually don't know if. There we go. Like technically, if there's a better one out there, we might want to use that one. But it's a good start, though. I'll tell you that. Really good start. Long. Are we gonna? If I move my stop quick enough, yeah, we got out of that trade. Okay. Made a little bit of cash there, but not much. Oh, shoot. Might have to flip those. Might have to flip those. Let's keep going though. Let's keep going. All right. New signal time. What do we? I don't even know what I want to see. Tell me, ChatGPT, what do I want to see? Long. I'll wait. I'll wait. Really, it's tough because we have price really sitting in here, and what I don't want to do is we Let's look at the stats really fast while we're sitting here. We've taken a shit ton of trades. You guys have seen a ton. All right, we have 102 trades. We've taken a ton of trades. We got a 70% win rate. We have one break-even trade, which isn't great. And we've lost 28% of our trades. Okay. We were up 1450. We ran all of that down, which was fantastic. And we're back up to 582. So a yo-yo in this account. The first account, we finished that one off in, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. And that ended up being $1,500, super solid. This account has been trickery. It's been tough. Okay. Let's see what price is up to. We're still sitting. And so I gave back a ton of profit. I'll look at trading view in here, like this area right in here. And like, it was just ugly. So I should have like just waited and just, seen what happened. And then from there, taking some trades. So this time around, learn from our mistakes. I want to let price figure out what it wants to do. Do you want to go below here? If so, I'll entertain shorts. If it goes, up here, I'll entertain longs or whatever ChatGPT tells me to do at that time. But what I don't want to do is start taking trades back and forth, and then I'm either nickel and diming, getting really small wins / losing out on commissions, or I'm losing trades because price is just so choppy. I don't want that either. Now, I don't want to size up just yet because we still have ATR pretty high and price hasn't made a decision. But it looks like that 56 signal being a short was pretty good. So we'll call that solid, and we'll wait to see what you were bad. We'll wait to see what this candle turns into being. So again, if we get price maybe below something like that, cool. Let's watch and see. It's a good sell signal though. Maybe can incorporate a beep sound for every pop-up signal. Snoopy, yeah, but if I know it's every minute, then that's why I have this timer up here. Maybe you can't see that. Let me check. My latency is a little behind, but you should be able to see. Yeah, there we go. Okay, you can see the time. You can't always see it, but at the top of every minute, there's a new signal. And so I don't necessarily need a beep. I just got to know what time it is. And then from there, we're good. Boom. Good signal. Good signal. All right, now we're ready to rock. And VWAP looks like it's back in question here. Okay. Let's see where this candle kind of closes out, and we'll maybe get back to taking some trades. All right. Ironically, we have 5 good signals in a row. Really, it's more like 3. Damn. Of course, we don't take this trade. I'm okay with it. All right, GPT, what do we want to do here? So we are way less likely to lose trades when we're not trading chop. Trouble is, you don't know it's chop until sometimes it's too late. All right, so remember VWAP we're at VWAP. I don't care about trading at VWAP. It doesn't really bother me, but we do know that we're gonna have some movement. So we got to be very, very quick with this. Okay, new signal here. ChatGPT likes a short, so we'll go sell. The stop. Let's just see if price can extend down for us at all. Stop doesn't want to get placed. I think we're sitting at VWAP, so it's going to be tough. Give us some space to work. Better. Much better. Keep going. There we go. That's what the doctor called for. Nice. Puts us back up decently. Okay, good. Great signal there. New one incoming in 2 seconds, 1 second. Okay, so price flies down here. Our new signal is a little delayed. And it says short. That's correct. I'll just mark that short. I'll mark it correct. Not catching that. Ah, man, I wish we could have though. So sometimes these signals come and yeah, sorry, Snoopy. Stupid. That was one thing that I had to battle with the first like little iteration. I was like, oh, this sucks. I have to figure out what time it is every minute or whatever. Um, but um, one of the drawbacks to ChatGPT, and I'm like, of course, we're taking like data from TradingView, sending it to ChatGPT, sending it to my dashboard, and then displaying it. So like, I know there's going to be a little latency there. Like, it's a lot of movement, but we shouldn't have 5 seconds or 7 seconds delayed. That's not acceptable, and so that's something that could easily be fixed or get fixed by using a different model. So that's on the table for sure. New signal here is another, I'm going to say short, and we're just not going to, well, I don't know if I want it. Let's see. So now we got price settling a little bit. At least we made this bottom right here. I'm not saying price is done going down. I'm just not going to jump into the short yet. Here's what price looks like on the TradingView charts. We're below VWAP, which is fine. Markets are now negative for the day. Bitcoin's up. Nice. Tesla up a little. Who's down? All right, so you guys, this is a bad signal. Just to let you know. All right, we will wait for the next signal here, 20 seconds. So a lot of this, so right now, like the reason I say that it still needs a little bit more work is yes, we're very profitable. We're up $2,000 for today, or a little over $2,000, which is nice so far, like 2,200 bucks. But like a lot of this is me understanding what's going on, not necessarily the signals being perfect. And I think that, oh, two really. Okay, I was gonna say we have a nice confusion there. Some of these I just don't take. I would like these signals to be like majority correct. My win rate is solid using these. We've basically been above 70% every time. Every time we've done this. I don't remember what the last account was for earlier today, but I'm sure it was decent. We can go look at it really fast. What account was that? Was it this one? Yeah. If we look at this account, what was our P&L? We're up 1582. Our win rate was 81%. So like super solid there. You guys can see that. So like we do really good work in these accounts. This is the one. And we're so close to passing this. You're correct and you're incorrect. But I have to get it so that like everybody could get a 70% win rate or 75 or 80%. Like that, like right now, I just understand it really well, if that makes sense. And so I need to get the signals to be as accurate as possible so that everybody could get repeated, consistent success the same way that I kind of have this past week, we'll say. Okay, I had a chance to get to a break even. I should have taken it. Oof, attacked my thing. There, we're up 500 bucks here. Bad signal. Okay, probably could have seen that one coming. This pattern right here destroys ChatGPT. Downtrend, 2 greens, immediate red. I mean, that just crunches it. It's to the point where I almost need to fucking program it in. Like, listen, buddy, when there's a downtrend, okay, and you get 2 colors, candles in the same, just relax. Even though it worked out here, like, relax. That one gets me every time. I guess not me, but taking the signals, taking the trades. It's a better way to put it. New candle. If the short, will take it for sure. Short, the stop up here. We're getting choppy again. I gotta be smart. This one's gonna move fast. I just don't know if it's gonna go in my favor or in the opposite direction. Good. Okay, 520. Did we like lose money on that or something? What the hell? We're back to VWAP. 10. That's a good short signal. Let's be patient here. So, had a chance, but it wasn't in the cards for us, was it? All right, now what's the ATR? I feel like we've got, nah. ATR is still a little high for me. I want to go to minis. I want to jump over and go to minis, but I just don't know if price is cooperating enough for me to do that. I want to take more risk and have more leverage on these trades so that we can make more when we win, and we lose more too if we lost. But with the way price is moving, I don't know if it's going to be possible for us to do that just yet. Okay. I've taken a ton of trades in this account. This is never my intention, but that's fine. We get a new trade every minute, so we got to take it. But that's not my intention. All right, new signal here. Short. Stop. Right above that candle high right there. I'm holding on to my stop here. If you click it and hold it, it doesn't set until you release it. Like we release the button. I want price. I'm thinking price is going to go down. Like I really think price is going to fly down here, but I think I might be wrong. That's why I didn't get out of this trade. If it happens again, we're good. All right, good. There we go. Boom. Back up to 679. Okay. Fudge. I chase this one, it's going to hurt. It's going to hurt me if I don't get this one to be profitable at all. Because we had a chance. There we go. Sometimes chasing it works. It doesn't often, but sometimes it does, and this is the result if it does. You get massive candles. Good night. Look at that. Boom. Okay, we're up 842. Good trade there. So none of these signals would be hard for you guys to figure out and trade. Like this isn't the part. It's the other ones that come through that aren't always as good. Where it's like, okay, maybe we got to figure it out a little bit. So sell right there. The stop right there. Okay, my entry wasn't great. Could have been a little better, but not terrible either. This one's going to erase this entire candle and piss me off. Please don't do that. It'd be really nice if you didn't do that. Are we ready? Back to where we were before. We gave up that entire trade essentially. Shit. Now remember, you're never going to win every single trade. Like that's not going to be the case. It's like it's impossible. You're not going to win every trade. It is not possible. But what is possible is to manage your losses. This is like a long setup for me. Okay. I'll go short because GPT says short, but I don't believe in this trade. Let me put that on the record. I do not believe in this trade. Okay, I'm wrong. Okay. Good. Wasn't the best, but wasn't terrible either. Drain back a little bit. Okay. Doing all right. If you guys are new around here, make sure you guys like the video. Click the like button. That always helps. Want to grow this bad boy as best we can. Doing some good work here, and we'll have we'll have some more updates here, almost daily coming soon. So that'll be fun. We just get more and more learning that we could do. So, man, that one stung a little bit. Okay, new signal here in 3, 2. Now we haven't had price. Price has had a tough time going lower than this. So I'm not totally convinced that a short is going to work out beyond a certain point. Obviously, it would have had I gotten in at open, but we got price basically sitting, and it's gonna blow past it if I put it there. But like we've got these two wicks kind of sitting there, and well, damn, there we go. But it's like I kind of thought wrong apparently. But I kind of thought, man, price is really gonna sit right there and not move. Incorrect. That is the incorrect assumption. That was an incorrect assumption because price, my friend, is cook, and we should have been there to catch that. All right. New signal in 5 seconds. I got price pulling back. If we pull back to that level, that's dangerous. Okay, like a short. Oh man, I'm nervous about this one. Yeah, good win there. 20 bucks. I'm nervous about that. I made my stop super tight on that one because I've got price essentially. It's harder. It's easier to see here. I've got price essentially holding at like this level. Low here, close here. We have this one too. Yes, we run down and make this low down here, but we retreat immediately back up. And so whether or not this is going to be wrong, like what I really thought honestly was this green candle would occur here. It's kind of what I thought. Price would pull down for sure, but then like roll back up. I was a candle early. ChatGPT was correct, and we'll call this one incorrect. But my assumption was that wasn't what was going to happen there. Now let's see if price can continue its little downward slope. Okay, short and short. Double confirmation there. It might just be double the chances for me to get this wrong. Double thumbs down potentially. Remember, if you click and drag your trail, it doesn't set until you unclick. And that thing attacked my trail. Okay, we're at 565. Damn. Okay, so we knew. Shit. All right. I kind of feel like we knew that was coming. If our entry was a little higher, we have the chance at winning that trade. We just didn't have the right entry. Okay, another signal here in 6 seconds. Why it's a bad signal? Because price flew up here before it went down. I got price building here, I think. I'm not taking that short just yet. We'll sit this one out. Okay, ChatGPT knows what it's talking about, though. I'll give it that. One of the things that you learn when you are using specifically AI or ChatGPT or any of these models, and it's giving you recommendations different than what you expect, is like you just don't know as much as you think you do. And to be fair, neither does AI. You might know a little bit more than AI, but there are times where like this is historically a trade where I would want to go long off of this, not short, and it's just a much better short position than long, which makes makes sense. And so this is one of those where it's like, all right, that's why we use the AI, so it can kind of fill in some of the gaps, or maybe we might lag. So bottom right there for sure. I see it. Let's see. I got 2 sell signals. All right, go stop and see what happens here. Nothing yet. Entry was pretty shitty. Let's see if price can continue to go down just for a second. We need to get just above our open, or just below rather, and we can set our stop in there. And then whatever happens, happens. There we go. 555 on that one. Okay, like 10 bucks. We got a horrible fill. That's why it's like, how do we barely make money on that trade? Got in way too late. Another signal here. Short. I'm kind of waiting for a long to come through, honestly. Yes, sir, Peter. Peace. That's about time. All right, so we're trying to make a bottom here. I mean, the markets are just getting hammered. It's been just atrocious. Um, but we're trying to make a bottom here. If we can, cool. So we've got kind of maybe 3 to 4 candles. We're like right in here. These four, 1, 2, 3, 4, are kind of making this little piece here. Not that we like I like longs at all, but it's going to be choppy unless price decides to just slash through it, kind of like this candle did there. But it ended up pulling back to our spot. So let's see if we can get a short here and maybe recapture some of that movement. Okay, new signal here, 16 long, and I have 2 longs. Oh man, I don't know if I trust this one. I'm gonna buy right there with a tight stop. Okay, GPT knows what it's talking about at times. Okay, a little bit of profit there. Small profit. You guys weren't correct at all though. Even a little. All right, small profit there. Let's see. Next signal in 30 seconds. Let's see what can happen here. All is on the table. Okay. Five seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. You guys can see my clock at the top. New signal. I'm waiting. Buy. Stop. Man, you do a market order, you're gonna get the shit. The shittiest of shit filled. Fuck. Alright. Alright. We'll go one more trade for today. We got hit here. We're up 400 bucks in this account right now. Hopefully we can get it over 5 in this next trade. But it has been tough sledding here to get this account. We were almost close to passing this eval. We might have to pass it tomorrow. Man, we were close. And we messed it up. So let's see. Unless we just get on a run here. Let's watch price. Let's see if it gives us something. Look at our distribution of signals here. We haven't had an hour where we've gotten more buys and sells. It's been just completely. ChatGPT has been all over the shorts, all over it. So let's see. Okay, I've got a sell signal. Take that. Let's go stop. And if this one works out well for us, we'll take another one. If this one gets choppy on us, then we'll call it a day. Just see what we got here. We've traded pretty small all day, which has been nice. But I'd like to see it pay off here with a little bit of profit at the end. Nice. Okay. All right, 494. We'll take one more trade. That was a good one. Horrific signal though. Actually, I don't know that I would even. I'll split the difference. It's a tough one. Okay, we got price sitting in this range. This is where it gets a little tricky. We should probably wait for price to get out of this right here. But let's see what we get here. We'll wait. We'll give it another few minutes. I want to get price out. Unless price thinks a buy right here, I'll go buy right there. I agree with it. Maybe I shouldn't have. Come on, escape. See that high? Run right through it. Not bad. Not bad. A little 60 bucks on that one, I think. Something like that. Horrific signal. All right, we're close. What can price do for us? I want to see price get above 19,375. Or I want to see it get below 340. Either way, it's got to do some. Boom, there goes price. The rocket. I'll take it. I know it's not popular, but I'll take it. And the reason I don't, let's see what happens here. Get away from my entry, please. Thank you. How would you do that? 553. Okay. A little bit of profit there. All right, we'll call it for today. Unless price gets out of this before I get done explaining kind of our results for today. All right, so let's see. In this account today, man, we took a ton of trades. It was a lot of fun. If you guys were watching today, you were in tune for a good one. All right, so we took 124 trades inside this specific account. We won 70% of them, which is pretty good. We've been trading now for what, 2 hours and change. You're not going to find people who can. You're not going to find a lot of traders who can take that many trades with that insane of a win rate. Um, we had a chance to be ultra profitable early on. We traded back a lot. And we had to kind of battle back and forth. And so that hasn't been the most fun. But we were profitable in our first account of the day, which was this one. This one we took 33 trades. We won 27 of them. That's an 81% win rate. And we made 1582. So a super solid day altogether. I think one thing that happened is we got a little antsy. Another thing that happened is we got caught in some of the choppiness, which like isn't here, is a little choppy. And if we can just avoid some of that, man, we have a chance to be ultra profitable. So today is a day where we're up, I don't know, 15 plus 5 and change. We're up about 2,600 bucks. This is the other wrong account. Yeah, we're up about 2,600 bucks here, and maybe we have a chance to maybe take another trade here. Let's see what this one is. New signal here. Let's see if we can go long and just chase it. Okay, 559. Maybe we'll go one more because these are pretty good actually. Now we're starting to get some decent little moves here. Got price rolling back up. Where's VWAP? See it? That's what I'm talking about. Okay, now this is when ChatGPT gets to, what's my ATR sitting at? Let's go one mini. This might destroy my entire account, but let's just do that. Okay. 10 seconds till our next trade. Thank you guys for holding on in there because you're going to see this. A lot of people won't. 4, 3, 2, 1. Long. Okay, with the stop. Let's see. Can we get to some nice profit here? Nope. Not at all. Good God. Good God. We sized up way too much on that one. Well, there goes that. So super solid day. Shouldn't have taken that risk there. We'll have to spend another day or so in this account to get it back to where we need it to be. But anyway, solid day. Too risky on that, and we'll be back. So appreciate you guys joining. We will be back tomorrow, hopefully with some better trades and maybe a few less trades, but more profit. All right. I will see you guys. Have a great one. Peace.